By the way, why does the freaking options screen come up between every game?
I don't know.
Is that not you tabbing out?
Round one.
I don't think so.
I assumed it was a Discord thing, wasn't showing up on Max's end.
Give it your best shot and enter your dub.
5 seconds, Zero.
Oh, hold on, let me sit down on my horn, he said.
Because we surrender so much, this is the only place to escape the memes.
This is
Why do you say
Answers. Where were you on? Wait, what day is it? Huh.
Okay, that's good.
What would a soldier of France be wanting here?
Well, you might assume from the stereotype that I'm here to surrender, but actually I'm here to kick your ass personally.
Alright, I'll give props to that one.
Wow, timing on that was perfect, too.
Je ne parle pas anglais.
Sorry, I don't know what that means.
That's what you say. I don't know what that means. I don't speak English.
I do my part and respectfully surrender.
every single one of them.
I see there was a similar angle on a few of
I'm literally, I have to vote for one that doesn't do the meme.
To be fair, when I did my business, everyone else did the exact same thing. Thank you.
I
really
love it.
Drop the ball there, Gizmo.
Why was there a sneeze?
Poignant
Because the guy in the back.
funny. You have a gift.
Thank you, only other person here who knows French. And even
Thank you,
I
Max.
barely know French.
Thank you, Max, for appreciating me not doing the meme.
Round two.
I'm afraid these gentlemen have a most regrettable task to perform.
Time to let your ambitions soar. Enter your dub. Quick, enter your dub.
8 seconds.
I'm afraid these gentlemen have a most regrettable task to perform.
We must live in the early 19th century, before video games were invented.
I'm afraid these gentlemen have a most regrettable task to perform.
You're going to walk over there and fuck that old handbag she calls her cute, and you're going to finish.
Jesus Christ!
Gentlemen have a most regrettable task to perform.
They have to prepare Uranus for me.
I'm afraid these gentlemen have a most regrettable task to perform.
They must eat 70 pounds of macaroni and cheese.
I'm afraid these gentlemen
That's not
have a most
bad.
regrettable
Call that
task to
edible
perform.
given.
You better make sure you please her right. The last guy who failed is still hanging out back.
Alright.
I think he meant to say about to be hung out back, but okay.
I mean, he did say he was dead.
Very cool. Very cool.
It's the only place.
Better luck next time,
Ah.
ankle biter. You flipped the script on that?
Hey, thank
Great
you.
work.
You are.
I just
Rhino, that was you!
Yeah, sometimes I go vulgar.
I didn't expect that from you, honestly.
I don't do it
Another
often, so
round
it's always
of What
surprises
Dub
people when
is
it comes
coming at
up.
you.
I'm kind of surprised that, like, the lewd ones got half the votes. Seemed too obvious.
No time to waste. Enter your dub now. Dub.
Go ahead.
Fuck it.
Hi there. Who's the stranger?
This is my brother. We're from Alabama.
Oh God!
Sweet home Alabama.
Who's the stranger?
Oh, just the hitman I hired to kill you.
Hi there. Who's the stranger?
My mom's girlfriend.
Hi
Wait.
there. Who's the stranger?
Taken, neutered, gay, whatever it takes to curb your slutty urges.
Jesus!
Damn.
Stranger.
This is my husband. I know what you've been doing, you fucking whore.
Wow!
So much shotgun.
Everybody goes the bitch route.
That was brutal.
Why did two people have shotguns?
Okay,
My
okay,
girlfriend one
okay.
almost got
I gotta
me.
ask. Who was in a shotgun? Who was it?
One word.
Wow.
Who was in a shotgun? Who was it?
Chick.
Jokes need a page.
You'll see in a moment,
rewrite,
won't you? So it's Max.
well played, sir.
Break a
I
leg,
think we
kid.
both have
Here
the same
comes
mind.
next round.
Yep.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
Time to shake the world, kid. Enter your dub.
I may
You're
have
almost out of
indulged
time.
slightly for this one.
You know that consoles are better than PCs, right?
Stop it! You're ignorant.
Hello, milady. As an alpha male, I...
Oh God!
You're
Here we
ignorant.
go.
I agree with the lady.
Hi, name's Bobby. Want to come work at
Oh God!
Oh,
Stop it!
okay.
Oof.
Who went
Ignorant.
down that?
Oof.
How you doing, sweet ass?
This is
Stop it.
becoming too
You're
relevant.
ignorant.
Stop it, you're ignorant. My ass isn't sweet at all.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
Vote or don't.
Okay.
The choice is yours.
These, I don't know. These are all pretty damn good. I gotta get to that one. It caught me off guard.
This is me. I'll guess all the votes.
Oh, thank you.
Look who's
Thank God I got
stinking
a
up the
point.
joint.
Well, I didn't get the,
Wowza.
I know they were the points. I just put the fingers.
It caught me so off guard.
Same.
It actually caught me off guard too, because I didn't know the meow was gonna sound like that.
That may have just won you,
Grab your
depending on how the
martini
final round
glass.
goes.
Next up,
Yep.
The final round.
What you're going to do is insane.
Show him you're not just a pretty face. Enter your dub.
Nope.
What you're going to do is insane.
Inject the Viagra.
What you're going to do is insane.
Sanity is for women without a thirst as great as mine.
Well then.
What you're going to do is insane.
Yes, but if I don't do it, I won't advance to the next episode of Legends of the Hidden Temple.
All
What
right.
you're going to do is insane.
Forgive my laughter. I have a condition.
What?
Joker.
damn it.
What
Joker.
you're going to do is insane.
Oh.
So's your wife, but you hear me whining about it.
Ow.
Everyone's a
Damn.
critic, including you. Time to
Ooh.
vote.
I think that one caught me off guard. I loved it so much.
Classic
Fuck it.
ignoramus.
Wow, just fuck
said
you,
you were
David,
English.
apparently.
Yeah, fuck
Oh,
me.
I thought more people would like mine.
Someone's got it made in the shade.
I knew it was you, Max. God damn it.
I had the idea for the earlier one where it was like these gentlemen must perform a task, but I couldn't think of anything fast enough. So it was just like mac and cheese.
They must go
I like to think your new thing is
They must
you are
go
now
into the
big
shrine of the
Maximus.
silver monkey.
Oh, well.
Better luck next time, ankle
They
biter.
can, Max, you should have put was like, they must go into the shrine of the silver monkey.
I sadly don't know enough about Legends of the Hidden Temple to do something like that.
Thanks
Well,
to
they're bringing it
everyone who
back.
played. Except
Oh,
Donkey number two,
Number two.
Jero was the annoying Brit. Endor was an angry motorist.
So then you're supposed to be here.
Well, Jiro, I
I'm
think-
angry because I don't know how to drive, but I think everyone else doesn't know how to drive.
One more?
Well, Jiro, I think you're destined.
I'm up for one
Yeah,
more.
please.
All right.
I think it'll be my last one.
That's why I said one more.